Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the system. Make a system restore point and export the registry right away so you can roll back changes. Open Regedit as administrator and export the full registry hive to an external drive. This is your safety net. Once done, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to detect corrupt system files that may be linked to registry problems. These first actions prevent data loss and give you diagnostic information to guide the repair steps. Once initial scans complete, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health if SFC reported problems. That repairs the component store so registry fixes stick. You then diagnose specific registry failures by searching for missing installer entries, orphaned COM objects, or corrupt startup keys. Make targeted edits in Regedit only after exporting the specific key. You should use the find feature and correct values precisely rather than sweeping deletes. If a third-party cleaner, finish by rebooting into normal mode and then safe mode to confirm the system is stable. Check services, startup, and drivers for lingering issues. If the system won't boot or behaves worse, immediately restore the system restore point or import the exported reg file from your backup. Don't continue making random edits. If problems persist, open Event Viewer to trace registry-related errors and identify which application or driver is causing the fault, so you can uninstall or update that component rather than editing more keys blindly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.